What's up, you guys? Today we're going to go into the profitability of the KD-BOX small miner by Goldshell. I've had it for 2 days now. So yesterday's profit was the first full day and it mined 8.6 KDA. Kadena, aka KDA, is worth about 50 cents right now. The market did crash pretty hard and KDA also crashed very hard as well. So at the all-time high it was actually $1.50 and right now it's at 47 cents. I think it will bounce back once the market recovers, but it could take 6 months to a year. So I'm just going to accumulate KDA and keep the coins for the next time it becomes $1.50 or maybe even $2 in the future. So I'm just going to be holding my coins that I'm earning with these miners. But as you can see, it's earning about $4.50 per day, and it's right in line what ASIC miner value says that it's making. So it's making $5 according to ASIC miner value, 59 cents for electricity, $4.35 per day. As you can see, it used to make even $28 per day, $19 per day, so it was actually pretty profitable. But right now it's only making $130 per month. But you can pretty much assume that when the markets goes well, it's going to be 3x that, so it's going to be around $450 per month, which is pretty decent. If you have 2 of these, you're already making 900, and it's not taking that much electricity. I'm actually pretty hopeful that KDA will be like $2, maybe even $3 in the future. So it is a nice coin to mine. I'm actually considered the worst case scenario that it could even take up to a year, but that doesn't matter. I'm just going to hold this coin. My electricity bills are not going to be that high. I'm going to make money in other ways, so that doesn't matter for me. So if you want to buy the KD-BOX, it's right here on the Goldshell website. It's actually the first thing that pops up. So KD-BOX, and then you buy it. And it's actually on sale right now. It was $2,599. Right now it's $1,699, and it came to me really fast. Actually, I ordered it on the 28th of May, 12 days ago, a week for them to ship. And you can see it says 5 to 7 business days, and it was actually 5 to 7 business days. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.